Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth Kitao, and if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing and karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, thank you guys for always watching my videos. And today we're doing a challenge. We haven't done a challenge in a long time. So that's why my sister Winnie is here. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
We're gonna do a challenge. It's called Guess the Sound Challenge. So the game is you're supposed to kugonga.
Hit.
You're supposed to hit. We have like 4 glasses with 4 levels of liquids. So you're supposed to hit it, and then you blindfold the other person, and then they're supposed to guess exactly the sounds that you're producing. If they guess wrong, they get to eat this
Chili pepper.
chili. A bite, not the whole thing. We can eat the whole thing. We are not that strong.
Yeah, capsicum is not our game.
So yeah, so that's the game for today. I hope you will enjoy the video. Watch the video until the end, guys. Love you guys. Please subscribe.
Let's get to this video.
Apparently I'm the one starting. So let's start.
So guys, we are going to go each 3 rounds. That's how much we're going to do it, because we don't want to eat too much pepper. It's
gonna be spicy.
It's gonna be spicy. So let's do this. Put on your blindfold
I'm being blindfolded.
so that she doesn't
Oh my
see.
god, please help me. Oh god, you're gonna play twice. So that I can-
Twice.
Twice.
You want me to hit twice?
Yeah.
Sour.
2 rounds.
Yeah, I'll hit 2 rounds at different classes, and she must guess the correct rhythm. If she doesn't,
Oh my
pepper.
god.
Anyway, let's do this. Do 3 rounds of these water glasses, and she has to guess the rhythm of what I choose correctly. If she doesn't, she'll have to take a bite of this. This is pepper, by the way. Anyway, let's do this. She's blindfolded.
I'm like,
She's terrified.
yeah.
Okay,
Just
let's do
waiting.
this. Open your ears. Another one. Another one. The third one. The last one.
Okay. I think I got it. Maybe I'm wrong. I hope.
No.
Oh,
No.
it sounded like that.
No.
This is what I did.
Oh, it didn't sound like that.
This is exactly what I did.
And I was like, I got it.
You got some pepper now, right?
God. I'm just taking
Take
a
a
small
nibble.
bite,
No,
right? Like
no,
this.
no.
No.
Actually, no. You have no mercy for your mommy. You want me to suffer?
Then you can take a little bite then.
I'm taking it like this.
Fine.
You better chew it.
Yeah, you better chew it.
Yeah.
Chew,
Better
chew,
chew
chew,
it.
chew, 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 chew,
Yes, the capsicum hit.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ew, oh my gosh, she's so disgusting.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god, I can smell it.
Oh, I can smell it. I can taste it in my gums. It's everywhere on the tissue.
I'm sorry I told you to chew it. Do I have to chew it?
Yes, you have to.
Now you're sorry?
Ooh. Ow.
I'm sorry.
Now,
Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh my
scared.
god.
I'm scared. Vouch for me. Vouch for me so that I don't have to do this.
oh
round.
god. Next round.
Ugh.
Anthony's turn.
Oh my god. Ooh, wow. God,
Sorry.
that is painful.
I think you need to drink more juice after that.
Are you
Can you
doing
see
it?
anything?
No.
I'm trying to figure out.
Which
Okay,
one?
now it's my turn. Let's see if she can even guess this.
Oh God.
Don't we think we need too close to these glasses?
You can sit down. I just want to sit down. You see, Megan is behind me.
Hmm? Okay.
Oh my god! I'm scared.
Nice.
Yes!
You're too close to these
No,
glasses.
I'm using my ears, you guys. You guys, it sounded exactly the way she did it. You hear it? She's just mad
next
because she
time
ate
I'll
some
do
Philippines. It's your turn!
I don't want to fight another one.
Yes! You better listen. If you think it's unfair, you can sit down here. You can sit here.
Enough.
I hope
No!
No peeking!
No
You know peeking!
peeking!
No peeking. You're too
No.
close and no
You
peeking.
better not look.
Yeah. I'm watching her. I'm watching her.
Okay, I'll do an easy one for you, okay?
I know I'll fail it.
No, it's gonna be easy. 1, 2. Again.
Oh God.
do, 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 do.
Yan nimepewa. Oh my God. Oh, now it's your turn.
Don't be too mean, okay?
I'll be mean so
Don't
that
be
you
mean.
can eat a pepper.
But you made that one
Let
easy.
me say, let me say.
I'm making sure Winnie is not.
Looking.
I'm not looking.
Put the head up.
No, put the head down.
Down, down, down. I'm watching her.
I can still feel it. Okay.
Let me open my ears.
Now we are round.
We are in the
Second
second round, yeah.
Second round.
And the
Okay,
third
mommy,
round.
wait. Give me a minute.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
gonna-
trying to think which one I want.
Go. Orange, red, blue, black. Oh God. Oh God.
Again?
Ding, ding,
Wait, that doesn't sound the same as the
Okay,
first
let me
one.
start.
ding, ding, ding.
Are you sure?
Ah, unanifanya nikosee.
Yeah, I sound the
Okay,
same.
okay, scratch that. I'm starting.
Uh-huh. Yamisha? Is it the same with the first one?
It's the same. I haven't even changed it.
I'm so scared. It sounds so different.
I haven't. Really, I may change.
No.
Change.
Ever feel my heart?
You are serious? Is this an exam? I just
so
want
scared.
to eat a pepper.
I'm so scared. I don't want to eat
You
it.
can feel what
I don't want to eat it.
I'm sure you know it.
Yes! I rule at this game! Yes!
Kimeibiwa.
One god of Alibaba
Nasikia
that's
wiki
different.
kama macho.
Eye masikiaga ni kama macho.
Kama
My ears are the best when you're young. She's way too long.
no.
Yes! Unasikia sister mama uniambie. Psych, kula pilipili. Oh my god, that was so good.
Kama kimeibiwa kirudiwa.
No, unaibiwa. Kaa chini.
I don't want this game anymore.
But you have to
She's
play
doing
it. You have to play it though.
Can you breathe?
Yes, she can breathe.
Okay. Which one have I not done?
Red and
Maybe
she's
you look sus.
I'm just trying to listen.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
One more time.
Ay, kuja change.
Sijabadilisha. It's still the same. One more time.
Oh God. Which one is still shaky?
She's looking at the water level to know which one is still shaking. Oh my god.
Oh no, I'm really bad.
Wrong.
You suck.
This is my demise.
You suck at this.
Show her the correct answer. Winnie,
Yeah?
show her the
Let me show
correct.
you my answer. My answer was this.
That's not even it.
Got it.
I just feel like it's it. This one, this one, and this one.
No, it's the same thing.
Oh my God.
Pepper. Pepper time.
Peppa, Peppa.
I don't want to.
Just take a nibble of something.
Nibble.
Just a little bit.
Never.
Just
just-
get a nibble.
Just a little bit,
You
okay?
can have a banana right after.
Oh God.
You think you're so helpful.
It's okay.
Oh
You'll
my
get it
God.
next time.
Oh my God.
I
I'm
don't like
20.
pepper.
Did we have a bonus round?
No, hell no.
Yeah, have
I
a
don't want to. I'm killing myself in this game. And I hate pepper.
I
Just
hate
take
it
a.
too.
Just
I didn't
take.
think I was gonna be good at it.
Oh God. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain.
I'm sorry.
Hooray!
Oh, I can feel the pain for you. What do you wanna be you?
Oh my God.
It's.
Oh
I wish
my
you guys
God.
can smell how toxic, how pungent it is. It's so strong. Is it that bad? It's strong.
It's bad. It's bad.
It's
I don't
strong.
know how people eat these things.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, mommy. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
that.
Sorry.
Your lips must be.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I hate it.
I'm sorry, mommy.
So guys, we're in the last round. The third round. Let's go.
Again.
Gonga na gonga.
Na sound kama Squid Game. Mama matinki. Huh?
Prepare for
Bum,
rounds.
bum,
Ya mwisho.
Repete.
The last one.
bum,
Ah, na nguvu, na nguvu.
Tunapiga na nguvu.
Like, connect. Hii nikianguka.
bum,
I suck at this.
bum, 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 bum.
Oh, tuna flash.
Annyeong. Annyeong. Annyeong, annyeong.
Du, 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 du.
Dun,
Ah, William may beer.
I swear to
Alikuwa like this.
One God. No!
I don't accept this defeat.
Yes!
I don't accept it.
This is why the last ones are
I
always
don't-
right.
Oh my
What?
God.
You said
Oh
what?
my God, no.
This is why. Caption this. This is why last ones are
No,
always
this is why last one
right.
sucks.
see, this is the epitome of the attitude that they have.
The middle
Each and every bigger child has. We are the best. We are the cutest.
No, you're the worst, the most annoying. Okay, we have one bonus round. Shiri, come here. Okay, she can eat a pepper. The one
As
thing
she
that
hates.
Mimi kamuchapie moja ya mwisho.
You can do this. You can do
Blindfold
this.
her.
You
She
can do
wanted
this.
to play, so she gets to play.
Come down. You can do this, my sister.
I'm preparing it for you.
Okay.
Can you see anything?
I cannot say anything.
Can you see this?
No.
Listen carefully, okay?
I hope you fail.
Oh no.
I'll do an easy one for you, okay?
Again?
The last one.
Okay.
Ah, wait.
Just go with your gut.
Just do whatever you want to do.
Mm.
I think I'm gonna.
What's the worst that can happen?
You just eat a banana.
This is the worst that can happen for her.
You can do it.
Just try.
Just
Even
try.
me, I didn't know, like 2 times. Oh no.
Hell no. Hell no. You better take a bite.
Take a big bite of it and chew it. Chew it. Chew, 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 chew,
Aw.
chew, chew.
Chew it, chew it.
You can do this.
You didn't do it, chew. Let me see. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun making it, although I lost and I don't accept losing because I think Winnie stole.
No, I didn't.
The game was rigged.
No, I could feel her direction. That was it.
Next time I'm going to do better, guys. And
Mega.
yeah, see you in our next video. Please subscribe if you like if you like the video, give it a big like, a big thumbs up, and
Get that
turn
on
on your
subscribe,
notifications bell so that you can get
Meg, I
videos
wanna
each and
try.
every time you upload them.
You-
And yeah, hope you
you're
had
gonna
fun
be
like
blind.
us.
You're
And
gonna be blind
see you
for
in our next
Like,
video.
share, comment, and we love you guys.
Bye.
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 Mega, she's gonna try now.